radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles crushing.
Are you gonna try to dumple?
Yeah.
What about the noodle?
Yeah. One lagman,
Okay. Oh.
one lagman and one gampan.
Maybe actually. Maybe. Why? What was that? The second one?
Yeah. Oh, the paper.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry. And add water. You always get apple. Give him a French.
You know what? I ate lots of chips. Christmas?
Maybe when they don't have it, sometimes share. Cook with tomatoes.
I'm not sure.
Oh, this is like pasta. The goulash is pasta. Like
No. Mac and cheese? You mean?
yeah, but with tomato sauce. No? It's not. I was gonna get the other one. The goulash.
Goulash.
Good. Ever. Because there's halal. Remember the halal over there? I like it. Good.
English area? Pay 1,500. Eat. She take a pictures. This 1 hours on you.
She baking it? But before.